Big news, Hamster Kombat players. The official Binance listing is just days away, and the potential for massive earnings has never been clearer. With 100 billion HMSTR tokens in total supply and 55 million connected wallets, you could be looking at a significant payout. Want to know exactly how much you could earn? Whether it's $50, $100, or even more, I've got all the calculations, the latest updates on Binance Launch Pool, and key strategies to maximize your profits. Watch the video to find out exactly what you need to do to prepare and take full advantage of this huge opportunity. Let's dive into the core details of the Hamster Kombat, HMSTR, token as we approach the highly anticipated listing. These are the key metrics you need to keep in mind. Initial circulating supply is 64,375,000,000 HMSTR, approximately 64.38% of the total token supply will be in circulation at the time of listing, which means a large portion of the tokens will be available for trading and rewards distribution from day one. The maximum supply of 100 billion HMSTR tokens is fixed, ensuring transparency about the overall distribution and allocation across different areas like player rewards, development, and marketing. 3% of the total token supply, which is 3 billion HMSTR, has been allocated for Binance Launch Pool, which allows users to stake tokens like BNB and TUSD to earn HMSTR rewards starting on September 23, 2024. This provides an additional opportunity for users to accumulate more tokens ahead of the full listing. As we gear up for the big day, these figures set the stage for what's to come. The Binance Launch Pool allocation and circulating supply reveal just how much potential HMSTR has as it enters the broader crypto market. Stay tuned for strategies on how to maximize your position as the listing date approaches. Yes, you heard that right, we are now just 13 days away from the listing date on OKX, set for September 26, 2024. But here's where it gets even more exciting. Bybit and BITGET have also confirmed their support, with Binance Launch Pool kicking off on September 23, 2024. This means Hamster Kombat is gaining serious traction in the crypto space, and the potential for profits is only growing. With the Binance Launch Pool starting on September 23, this is your opportunity to be a part of something big. Keep playing, accumulating keys, and stay focused on achieving those targets in the app. Remember, with a circulating supply of 64.38% of the total tokens already in the market, there's a lot of room for growth, and we're expecting more TBA updates to come as we get closer to the listing. Let's crunch some numbers based on the latest updates for Hamster Kombat, HMSTR, with a total token supply of 100 billion HMSTR and 55 million connected wallets. We can estimate the potential distribution per user. 100 billion HMSTR divided by 55 million users approximately equals 1,818 HMSTR tokens per user. This gives us a rough idea of how many tokens each user might receive if the total supply is distributed equally among all connected wallets. Potential earnings in USD. Now, assuming the value of 1 HMSTR is 5 cents, we can calculate the potential earnings. 1,818 HMSTR times 5 cents equals $90.90 per user. This is a hypothetical figure based on a token price of 5 cents. Depending on the market dynamics and user engagement, these earnings could vary. Key considerations. Airdrop allocation, 60% of the total token supply, or 60 billion HMSTR, is allocated for player rewards Season 1. This likely includes the airdrop and other rewards. The distribution might not be equal among all users and could be weighted toward those with higher gameplay engagement, participation in events, or achievements. Binance Launch Pool, an additional 3 billion HMSTR, or 3% of the total supply, will be available through Binance Launch Pool starting on September 23, 2024. Users participating in the launch pool may have the opportunity to earn more tokens by staking certain cryptocurrencies. Market dynamics. The assumed price of 5 cents is purely speculative at this point. Once HMSTR is listed on September 26, 2024, market factors such as demand, liquidity, and overall interest in the game will determine the actual price. It's important to remember that the value of tokens can fluctuate significantly, especially in the early days of trading. Potential scenarios. Best case scenario, high engagement users who actively play the game, complete achievements, and participate in events could receive significantly more than the average 1,818 HMSTR. Their earnings could well exceed the hypothetical $90.90 if they are more deeply involved. Typical case scenario: most active users may realistically expect to earn between $50 and $150, depending on their in-game progress, keys accumulated, and the distribution mechanism used. Conservative case scenario: users with lower gameplay activity, fewer keys, or less overall engagement could receive fewer tokens and potentially see earnings on the lower end of the spectrum. These calculations are estimates based on the available information, and the actual distribution and value of HMSTR tokens could vary. Factors such as gameplay, market conditions, and engagement will all play a role in how much users can ultimately earn. As we near the listing on September 26, 2024, stay engaged, keep playing, and participate in all available events and promotions. The more you play and contribute to the game, the higher your potential rewards could be. The opportunities in Hamster Kombat are growing, and now is the time to maximize your efforts. Now, I know some of you are curious about how much you can actually earn with the HMSTR token, and you've been asking about your profit per hour and the keys you've accumulated. While we can only speculate at this point, it's safe to say that the future is looking very positive. With Binance Launch Pool allocating 3 billion HMSTR tokens and a strong initial circulating supply of over 64 billion, Hamster Kombat is clearly positioning itself for a successful launch. In these final 14 days leading up to the big listing, stay motivated and keep playing. With Binance Launch Pool, OKX, Bybit, and BITGET all backing the HMSTR token, this could easily be one of the biggest opportunities in crypto gaming. As always, I'll keep you updated every step of the way. So keep grinding, stick to your targets, and let's make the most of what's coming. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, something big is on the horizon. Stay safe and happy mining.